Hello, I'm Peter Cracknell from Quantum in Brisbane. I spend a lot of time in people's homes with equipment that might help them with their low vision. One of the things I notice a lot when I'm with older people is their difficulty using technology to communicate with family and friends and support services and so on. Frequently they'll be in a world where they'll be receiving text messages on mobiles that they can't read because of their vision impairment, but also because they're just not familiar with modern technology. So I just want to show you some solutions that might help people with those sorts of issues be better connected to family and friends. One of the obvious ways is with a large button telephone, and we recommend that people visit Vision Australia to look at some options for large button telephones. But what about keeping in touch with people through computers and iPads and so on, perhaps using services like Skype or WhatsApp, Zoom and so on. We hear about all of these things as great ways of connecting, but frequently they're just too complex for older people to manage, especially with a vision impairment. So we actually have a solution that is a very simple and robust video phone solution that can help people be connected with their family and friends. So we distribute a device called the Konnekt Videophone. The Konnekt Videophone is a 16-inch monitor connected via Wi-Fi to the internet, but all of that technical stuff is customized by Konnekt themselves. There's absolutely nothing that the user needs to do in terms of the technology at all. They receive it fully programmed with their family and friends built into it. They don't need to worry about updates or anything like that. They don't need to worry about dropouts or internet connections. That's all an always-on solution. It's a 16-inch screen. It's very, very stable. It has a kickstand at the back. It can't be toppled, so it can be rested in a convenient location, permanently plugged in. One of the reasons why that's a great thing is because it's always on for receiving calls from family, and if family are concerned about the health or well-being of their loved one, they can actually take over the camera and the microphone and the speaker just to check that their family member is okay. And the microphone can hear quite a great distance within the house, so if somebody's in trouble, they can hear their family member speaking at quite a distance. But of course the principal use is to just have video phone conversations with family and friends and support workers. There is also an element perhaps of telehealth as well, where somebody could dial in and just check the appearance of somebody and then perhaps advise them with other telehealth as well. So I'm just going to show you it in use. We're going to just plug it in and dial somebody up and see what it looks like.
Hi Mike.
There she is.
How are you?
Good to see your face.
Up there you go, there's your face. Hi Mike, how are you going?
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. Oh, there you are.
See you.